the rains in Mandera people. We expect the government to provide mosquito nets throughout Mandera County so that our people are safe and we don't have to again, struggle with diseases. Otherwise, the Deputy President, His Excellency Gachagua, welcome to Mandera. Our Kindiki, I know this is his. We are one family. We are ready to support. Please support people of Mandera. And in fact, this project will change a lot. I thank Her Excellency, the Ambassador of UK, for implementing this project. This project is going to, bring these three countries together, and I know it is going to change a lot.
We were also affected by the drought. We open our hearts and resources to those in need, irrespective of borders and nationality. Through our collective effort, we provided food, water, and medical assistance to those affected, ensuring that no one was left behind in this time of need. The spirit of sharing exhibited during the drought is a powerful reminder that compassion knows no borders. In the highlight of interconnectedness of our lives and importance of standing together during these challenging times. Through acts of kindness and solidarity, we build bridges and foster community goodwill and understanding. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, I want to express my deepest gratitude to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, our esteemed Deputy Governor, and various development actors for their unwavering support in response to the recent drought. Their commitment and assistance have played a crucial role in questioning our communities. But most importantly, I want to confirm that their support was not limited to Mandera County, but extended to our neighboring countries. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, in spite